Hello friends and welcome to our channel Nurture where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. We are going to tell you about the benefits of dill. Before we proceed further, I'd request you to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for more interesting videos and their notifications, which will boost us to do more videos.
If you want to dislike our videos, first see all our videos and then tell the reason to dislike so we can improve in our next videos. Let's proceed further.
Dill. The scientific name of dill is Anethum graveolens. It is a perennial or annual herb depending on where it is cultivated in the world. Dill has been used for culinary and medicinal purposes for hundreds of years. It has a strong, tangy, appetizing flavor and taste. Dill contains monoterpenes, flavonoids, minerals, and certain amino acids, which is being used for medicinal purposes. There are many health benefits of consuming dill. It is used to boost digestion, immune system. It also provides relief from insomnia, hiccups, diarrhea, dysentery, menstrual disorders, and respiratory disorders. Dill is considered as a carminative as it reduces excess gas, promotes digestion. Dill contains some essential oils that activate the secretion of bile and digestive juices. These oils also stimulate the peristaltic motion of the intestine, easing the passage of bowel movements and relieving constipation. It is also used to treat stomachache, flatulence, and indigestion, prevents insomnia. The essential oil found in dill contains vitamin B complex, which activates the secretion of certain enzymes and hormones, which have calming and hypnotic effects, thereby helping people to get a good night's sleep. It also has peculiar and powerful properties. They are simultaneously stimulating, sedative, and hypnotic. That is why they stimulate as well as pacify, maintains bone health. Dill contains calcium, which maintains bone mineral density and protects from bone loss. It also repairs injured bones, prevents osteoporosis, and promotes proper growth and development of the bones. Manages diabetes. Dill manages insulin levels and diabetes. Prevents excess gas. Dill prevents excess gas as it contains carminative properties. Boosts immunity. Dill prevents microbial infections and boosts the immunity system of the body. Calms hiccups. Dill is a carminative. It helps the expulsion of gases and also reduces gas formation. While as a sedative, dill helps to calm down hiccups due to allergies, hyperactivity, or nervous disorders. Cures diarrhea. Dill contains digestive properties which help to cure diarrhea by inhibiting microbial infections that try to attack the body. Treats dysentery. Dill essential oil is disinfectant in nature and it helps to inhibit fungal infections effectively and cures dysentery. Relieves arthritis pain. Dill contains anti-inflammatory properties which reduces inflammation, rheumatoid arthritis, gout, and arthritis. Stimulates menstruation. Dill essential oil contains flavonoids that are stimulating and emmenagogic in nature, which promotes proper menstrual cycle in women. Treats respiratory disorders. Camphorol and certain other components of flavonoids and monoterpenes in the essential oils of dill are anti-congestive and antihistaminic in nature. They help clear congestion in the respiratory system due to histamines, allergies, or coughs. Oral care. Dill seeds and leaves are good mouth and breath fresheners. Apart from that, the essential oils in it are germicidal, antioxidant, and disinfectant in nature. Due to these properties, they help end microbial infections in the mouth, and their antioxidants minimize the damage caused by free radicals to gums and teeth as well. How to buy and store dill. Buy fresh dill sprigs as it is rich in flavor and contains many nutrients in it. It should be free from any spoilage or bruises or yellowing, and it should have vibrant green color, sprigs and firm stems. Dill should be stored in a refrigerator in a zip pouch. It should be used as early as possible as it does not remain fresh for a long time and it loses its flavor and nutrients. Uses of dill. Dill is used for medicinal purposes. It is used as local anesthetic and antiseptic antiseptic. Dill is also used as an ingredient in gripe water preparation. Safety profile. Dill is considered to be safe, but in rare cases lead to allergic reactions, vomiting, diarrhea, oral pruritus, urticaria tongue, and throat swelling. People who are allergic to carrots may experience an allergic reaction to dill. There are certain situations when you may want to be careful about using dill as a medicine. It is not recommended that you use dill as a medicine during pregnancy or breastfeeding. Using dill on your skin may cause irritation, and drinking dill juice may make you more sensitive to the sun. Lastly, people with diabetes who are taking lithium and those undergoing surgery within 2 weeks should talk to their healthcare provider before using dill as a medicine. Fun facts about dill. Today, dill represents one of the most widely used spices of European and Asian cuisine. Dill grows best in areas with long, warm summers. It requires fertile, well-drained soil and full sun for successful development. Dill has single, smooth, hollow stem that can reach 16 to 24 inches in height. Dill develops numerous feathery, thread-like leaves with pointed leaflets. Leaves are light green, soft, and alternately arranged on the branches. Dill produces miniature white or yellow flowers arranged in terminal umbel, type of flat-topped inflorescence. Dill blooms during midsummer. Dill and fennel can cross-pollinate when they are planted close to one another. These two plants easily exchange pollen. Created hybrid doesn't have culinary value. Newly produced plant is flavorless. Dill produces numerous miniature elongated seed that can be straight or curved. Dill propagates via seed. Under appropriate conditions, seed is able to germinate even after 3 to 10 years of dormancy. Dill is rich source of dietary fibers, vitamin C, B9 and B2 and minerals such as manganese, iron and calcium. All parts of the plant are edible, but people usually consume leaves, flowers and seed. Oil extracted from the seed has application in cosmetic industry where it is used in the manufacture of soaps. Dill can be used in treatment of digestive problems, lack of appetite and jaundice. It reduces flatulence and can be used as a cure for hiccups. Dill stimulates lactation in breastfeeding women
and alleviates colic in babies. It can be also used to calm babies and help them fall asleep during teething. During the medieval period, people were using dill hanged on the doorway to keep witches on a safe distance from their homes. Dill was also popular and often used ingredient of magic potions in the past. Ancient Greeks were using dill for the production of perfumes. Greek athletes were using tonic made of dill to improve tonus of their muscles. Dill is an annual plant, which means that it completes its full cycle in 1 year. The flowers are white to yellow in small umbels, 2 to 9 centimeters. That is 0.8 to 3.5 inches in diameter. The seeds are 4 to 5 mm, that is 0.16 to 0.2 inch long and 1 mm, 0.04 inch thick, and straight to slightly curved and longitudinally ridged surface. The entire plant is aromatic, and the small stems and immature umbels are used for flavoring soups, salads, sauces, fish, sandwich fillings, and particularly pickles. Dill has a warm, slightly sharp flavor, somewhat reminiscent of a caraway. Fresh and dried dill leaves, sometimes called dill weed to distinguish it from dill seed, are widely used as herbs in Europe and Central Asia. An essential oil from the seed, dill seed oil, is used in the food industry for flavoring as well, and used in perfuming soaps and medicines. Dill is a very good source of calcium and a good source of dietary fiber, vitamin A, B complex vitamins, vitamin C, iron, manganese, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium and zinc. It is used as an antibacterial spice, similar to garlic. Dill's name comes from the Old Norse word dilla, which means to lull. This name reflects dill's traditional uses as both a carminative stomach soother and an insomnia reliever.